guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a unicorn bookmark. Let me see how it works. Show you how it works. For example, this is your book. No, this is the wrong book I want. I'll show you. This is my example. Example is this is your book, and this is your bookmark. Go inside. Like you already stop on this page, and you're busy doing something else. So you put this bookmark here, and close it, and after that you go do your work, and then you stop at the page that you put it. So it's this unicorn bookmark. Well, it's kind of maybe easy. And so cute. First, get a big piece of paper and cut it into a square shape. And then you will check out perfect size. Then you fold this part together and make sure if it's the same size, then you don't need to cut. If it's a different size, then you cut it to make it the same. Also the other side. Then after that, you have to make it like an X. Then after that, the other one goes up and fold it like this. Make sure it's same. My one's already same. Then you put this corner, just take one and put it down. Fold it like this. Just like, and then fold it, go down. Then after that, you take these two parts and fold it together. Like this. And you do the same thing as the other side. This way. Then after that, you open these two, then you put it on the top like that. Make sure you do it the same way. After that, you just leave this part. You don't fold it. And after that, you do the other side, the same thing. But make sure it's pointy at the bottom. Okay. Then after that, you take these two and open again and plop it in this pocket. You plop it in. Okay. Then you do the same thing as the other side. Now it's done. Now you need to make the unicorn. It's just this thing. See? This is what? Oops, sorry. Okay. Next, you take the left over that cut, and then you cut the same mane. So like mane. You need to make the hair.